Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of dropshipping. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur looking to start your own online business or simply curious about this increasingly popular business model, you've come to the right place. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of dropshipping, from its definition to its benefits and challenges, and everything in between. Chapter 1. Understanding dropshipping. In this chapter, we'll start with the basics. What exactly is dropshipping? We'll define dropshipping as a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for inventory storage and streamlines the logistics process. How it works. We'll dive deeper into the mechanics of dropshipping, discussing the typical steps involved, such as selecting a niche, finding suppliers, setting up an online store, and managing orders. Chapter 2. Advantages of dropshipping. In this chapter, we'll explore the benefits of dropshipping for entrepreneurs. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional retail models that require significant upfront investment in inventory, dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to start with minimal capital. Location independence. Dropshipping can be run from anywhere with an internet connection, offering flexibility and freedom for entrepreneurs to work remotely. Wide product selection. With access to a vast network of suppliers, dropshippers can offer a wide range of products to their customers without the need for physical storage space. Scalability. Dropshipping businesses can easily scale up by adding new products or expanding into different markets without the constraints of inventory management. Chapter 3. Challenges of dropshipping. In this chapter, we'll address some of the common challenges associated with dropshipping. Supplier reliability. Relying on third-party suppliers means that dropshippers have less control over product quality, shipping times, and inventory availability. Competitive market. The barrier to entry for dropshipping is low, leading to a crowded marketplace with intense competition and price pressures. Customer service. Since dropshippers often don't handle the fulfillment process directly, they may face challenges in providing excellent customer service and resolving issues with orders. Profit margins. While dropshipping offers low overhead costs, profit margins can be slim due to increased competition and reliance on supplier pricing. Chapter 4. Tips for success in dropshipping. In this chapter, we'll share some practical tips for succeeding in the world of dropshipping. Choose the right niche. Selecting a profitable niche with high demand and low competition is crucial for success in dropshipping. Research suppliers carefully. Take the time to vet potential suppliers thoroughly, assessing factors such as product quality, reliability, and shipping times. Invest in marketing. Effective marketing strategies, such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, and influencer partnerships, can help drive traffic to your online store and increase sales. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers, despite not handling the fulfillment process directly. Chapter 5. Success stories in dropshipping. In this chapter, we'll showcase real-life success stories of entrepreneurs who have thrived in the dropshipping industry. We'll explore their journeys, challenges they faced, and the strategies they used to overcome obstacles and achieve success. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've covered the fundamentals of dropshipping, from its definition and advantages to its challenges and tips for success. Whether you're considering starting your own dropshipping business or simply curious about this business model, we hope you found this video informative and insightful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and online business. Thanks for watching.